there, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Women of the Bible Journaling Kit by Daysprings. So it comes wrapped in the gorgeous green tissue paper. Isn't that fabulous? And I couldn't resist showing you the box at the front because I think that's awesome. I think it'd be wonderful to put a gift to a friend in there and then wrap it up and send it to them because I just love the box. So first up, you're going to have a roll of washi tape, and the washi tape is a peachy pink color, and it's got some leaves on the outside. There's purple, green, peach leaves, maybe a little bit of a gray. There's a little bit of a blue one on here. And then something new, you're going to get some gelatos. This is Faber-Castell Fig. It's kind of a purplish gray color. So I'm going to grab a piece of paper here and scribble a little bit on there so you can see what it looks like. I've used gelatos in my Bible journaling before and I liked it, so I'm looking forward to using it. And it's a perfect color to go with their color scheme that they have going on this month. I'm loving that Daysprings now has their own Bible journaling kit that they're going to put out every month. It's looking promising. I'm loving this first one a lot, so I can't wait to see the next kits that come out. So you're going to have a sticker that says Women of the Bible Better Together in case you ripped the one that was on the tissue paper. And then you're going to have a little note from Daysprings, and on the front, on the other side, is some places where you can dig deeper or if you want to share your story. And they also included a card. So you can send a card to a friend. I really think that's awesome. You could fill out a little card. Maybe you have a friend who's needing a card this week. You could, if you're thinking of them, maybe you fill this out real quickly and send it off to them. And I love this craft envelope that they included with it. So I think that's really wonderful. Next up, you're going to get some Bible tabs. And these are kind of a cardstock, plastic. They're not really plastic, but they got kind of a shiny plasticky feel on the outside. You get 6 of those, a couple of darker purple brown ones, a light purple, green, aqua, and an orange. They will go great for marking your Bible journaling pages. You just slip them right over the edge and they'll stick right on there. They're not stickers. They will peel right back off. So pretty fancy. So you got a bunch of those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones and a couple of smaller ones. I think that's really cool. Next up, you have a couple of clear sticker sheets. And there's 2, they're both the same, but I love the color scheme. And next you're going to have a couple of sheets of alphabet stickers, and I love the colors of those. And then you've got 4 weeks of Bible journaling messages and prompts. Nothing on the back, but you could use the back to do some journaling. And then next you're going to have the stamp set. So you get a couple of ladies, a bunch of leaves, and then a couple of sentiments on there that you could use on your Bible journaling. I think this is really cool. I can't wait to use it. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to put a link down in the description box in case you'd like to pick this up. I think Daysprings has a good thing going here, and I would love for you to give them some support. I hope you're having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.